In this video, we are going to take the data in the table and convert it to a chart as shown to show both periodic and cumulative cash flow. To create the chart, what you want to do first is select all the information within the table. We'll then go up to the Insert tab. We'll move across to the Charts column and we'll specifically choose this one, which is the Insert Combo Chart. Move down, and if you hover over these charts, it gives you an idea of what's going to be represented. What we want to do is go to the second chart, which is a clustered column line on secondary axis. Click, and there we go. We now have a chart. We can move this chart anywhere we want. We'll just place here for the moment, and we can increase its size as well. The chart comprises many elements. If we click on the chart, we can see the chart title, we have the bars, we have this line, and we have the axes titles, vertical and horizontal. If we want to change any of these elements, we can simply click on this icon here, named Chart Element, and we can add and remove when necessary. For example, if we want to add axes titles, we can simply check this box. Axes titles appear on the right and on the left. If we want to change the names for these titles, all we need to do is click on the title. We go up to the formula bar, we type in equals, and then we direct it to the relevant column heading. So this represents the periodic cash flows. All we need to do is go to cell B3, click in there, enter. As you can see, the name has changed to periodic. We'll do the same again on the right hand side. We know that the information that wants to go in here is a cumulative. Click on, go to the formula bar, type in equals, click on cell C3 and enter again. And there we go, we can see that the name has changed. We'll do the same again for the chart title. We'll click on the chart title, we'll go to the formula bar, we'll type in equals, and we'll go to cell A1, which was the title of our worksheet. Press enter, and there we go. It's as easy as that. If you have a look at the figures on the right hand side, they have a currency applied to them. However, the numbers on the left hand side do not have a currency applied to them. But what we need to do is basically double click on any of the numbers, and the Format Axis task pane will appear. Now we go down to the bottom, we have a little arrow with number beside it. Click on this, go under category, go to currency, and there we go. The currency now appears. If we want to change the chart design, we can do this in two different ways. Firstly, I'll close this here, clicking the chart again, and we'll go to this icon here, the chart styles. Firstly, we'll look under the first option, which is the style option, and we can hover over each of these different styles, which will be represented on screen as we hover over them. Just move down the screen. We'll pick this one, which was the example I used at the start of the video. Alternatively, we can use the chart design tab option. If we just undo, click out of the style, and at the top we have the chart design tab. If you click in there, you can see the same options running along the top. So again, I'll put this option here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. If you just want to print the chart itself, all you need to do is click on the chart and use the shortcut keys of Control and P, and there we go. Press print when ready. Alternatively, if you just want to display the chart on a separate worksheet, just go back out of here, click on the chart itself, go up to the chart design tab, and on the right hand side we have an option for move chart. A dialog box comes up, and we can click on the top item, which is a new sheet. We'll call it chart 1, press OK. As you can see along the bottom, along the tabs, a sheet called chart 1 appears with your chart. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.